Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jay. I'm back again with another video, and this will be me dyeing my hair ginger and showing you guys how I style my hair to achieve the perfect bouncy curls that last pretty much all day. So I am starting on hair that was already bleached blonde. So what I'm gonna do is I'll leave the link to the reel showing how I dyed this hair to begin with. So let's just go ahead and get right into this hair color. So the first product that I went ahead and I used was the Darkskin Lovely Red Hot Rhythm hair dye. I'm just going to go ahead and use the following things. I have a brush with me, which is going to help especially in the frontal area. I have a rat tail comb. I have some clips here to help me when I'm sectioning my hair off, and I also have a pair of gloves as well as a bowl to mix my hair color in if needed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just following the instructions as they are stated in the Darkskin Lovely box, mixing the, I think it's the cream developer with the actual color, shake, and I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off and start working in sections. What you want to do is spray got to be on the inside of your lace to avoid tinting your lace, because you do not want to have red hair lace. Pretty simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm working in sections. This makes it so much easier rather than just trying to apply color to all of your hair all at once. And once you get to the frontal, even if you spray got to be super careful, because anything can happen at the night show. Next thing you have red lace. Take your time, there's no need to rush. And then I let this sit for about, I think it was like 35 to 40 minutes, and this is it. Once it's fully saturated, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out using the Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. As you can see, you're good, sis. I was sitting here for at least 30 minutes rinsing this out. I was trying to make sure the water was as clear as I could possibly get it, and then I go in with the Kiss Tintation semi-permanent hair color in the colors Cajun Spice and Ginger. I mixed those in my bowl in equal parts. I did use small amounts at first because I wasn't sure if I'd be using the entire bottle, so I didn't want to waste product, and I didn't actually even end up using the entire bottles of both of them. So again, working in sections, I take my frontal out first, and then I'm going to start applying that to my hair. Make sure you comb through your hair, get all the color in there. You want to make sure your hair is thoroughly saturated, because the last thing that you want is to have parts that don't have semi-permanent color on them, because that will honestly just be a headache for you. So I'm just working here from the back going up to the front, and again in the frontal I was trying to use my brush as much as possible to make sure that I got all the hair, and you know, like I said, anything can happen at the night show, and to make sure that I wasn't tinting my lace either. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep working through this part of my hair. This is what it looks like once it's thoroughly saturated. I rinsed that out and blow dried it, and for the heat protectant I used the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Protection Spray. I just spray that through my hair, not a lot, and then distributed it using my hands, and then I blow dried my hair as straight as I could possibly get it. This will make your life so much easier. And then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to fix my ear tabs, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying the Ghost Bond glue to my hair. Make sure you fix your ear tabs that it lays flat, because you don't want to have bumpy hair. We want to avoid that as much as we possibly can. I'm gonna go ahead and go dot if this would come out. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take my Ghost Bond and apply it in little dots. I'm going to spread it out, and then I'm going to take a blow dryer on a cool setting, and I will go ahead and apply that directly, like not apply, but like put the blow dries close to my hair. I will do this 2 to 3 times. Some people even do 4. It's completely up to you and you know what you need. I would recommend watching a few videos by stylists or people who actually know how to do their own hair, just to get a few more recommendations on how exactly to do this a bit better. I am a newbie you know, so I'm still figuring this out. It did take me a couple minutes to get this done the right way. I did watch a few videos and that definitely made it a lot easier for me. This is the first time I've actually done the process of applying 2 to 3 layers, and I will say it definitely helps. When you're now sticking your lace down, you want to make sure you pull it tight because you don't want to have ripples in your skin or in the lace, because that's just going to look weird. I do the same thing on the other side of my hair, and then once I've done that, I'm going to tie it down using this elastic band to melt the lace, as the girls call it. And then once we are finished doing that, I'm going to start working on making sure the top of my head is flat, and I will be going in with a hot comb and I'll be using a wax stick. The wax stick I'm using is by Care. You can get this at like Sally, that's where I picked mine up, and I never knew about this until recently. So all I'm doing is just parting my hair, applying a bit of the wax stick, and then going in with my hot comb. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to apply the wax stick on every single section. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm still trying to figure this out from other people's videos. But I do put just a small amount and then hot comb my hair. Make sure to stay hydrated. As you can see, I was mad thirsty here. And what I'm gonna do is I work on each half of my head and then I go to the other side. And then once I am done with actually hot combing my hair, what I'm gonna do is I will start styling. And for the styling portion, the curling wand that I'm using is from Duvolle. They gifted me their Desire Series professional curling wand, which has state-of-the-art tourmaline, which fights frizz and static. It has infrared heat technology that deeply penetrates and distributes heat, reducing heat damage. The tool does maintain an even temperature throughout the styling process. It has a really nice ergonomic grip, which is like super comfortable and makes styling as easy as possible. It is clamp free, which keeps your hair healthier and more natural looking. It does have an 8-foot long tangle free cord, and this helps if you are working in a room that doesn't have a plug close by, and when you're storing it, it makes it so much easier to store. It does have just an on and off switch on it, and it also comes with this heat protecting glove for your hands, which is so key. There's also a manual in case you've never used a curling wand before. This will definitely make it easier for you, and you can actually get this curling wand from their website 70% off using my code J70OFF. So go ahead and get that curling wand, sis. Summer is here. It is time for the curls, okay? Curly hair is here to stay. So what I'm doing now is, this is their 32mm barrel, and all I'm doing is I'm wrapping my hair around the wand and then I'm holding it for a couple of seconds. It's usually about maybe 15 to 20 seconds that I'll hold it for, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drop the curl into my hand, and I'm trying to do pin curls. It's important here to remember that this is what I was trying to do. I left this in to show you guys that the struggle is real, but practice does make perfect, and just be patient with yourself. Take your time. There is absolutely no need to rush at all. So all I did is, again, try this again, wrap it around, and then drop the curl. And once you've got the curl that you want, all you're gonna do is you're going to take your clip of choice and you are going to pin the curl. The point of pin curls is to hold the curl in place until it has cooled down. And from what I've read and videos I've seen, and in my experience, this helps your curls to stay a lot longer compared to if you just curl it and you let the curl drop immediately before it has cooled down. So this is super cool. I would highly recommend, and you will see at the end of this video, these curls got bounce, honey. These curls got volume, and my hair looked really, really good. I absolutely love this curling wand. This is the second curling wand I've ever owned. The first one I had it for 6 years, and it finally died a natural death. So this was the perfect replacement for that. Again, you can get this from their website for 70% off using my code J70OFF. So sis, go forth and flourish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing the curls in my hair, and then we'll go ahead and get to brushing it out and seeing the end result. Okay, I just got done getting ready. This is my first time wearing these lashes and I feel like I have caterpillars on my eyes. But I'm gonna go ahead and take all of this down and then we'll brush it out and see how it looks. So I went and I changed my lashes and I feel like these look so much better. The other ones, I felt like they were too big for my eye shape. But this is the finished product. I think this looks really good. The size of the curls came out really nicely. The color came out really nicely. These curls got bouncy. Also, I think I did a good job with the lace because to a certain extent, like, you can't tell me this isn't coming out of my head. You can't. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you end up trying out ginger for yourself. I think it looks really good on black women. I've seen it on so many girls and I'm in love and I had to try it for myself. So thank you so much for tuning into this video and I will see you guys on the next one.